Well, good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adrian Gogan.
And I'm Con Coranzales.
And we are from Biggin & Scott Knox. I feel very privileged today to be standing here in front of what I see as one of the more exceptional properties that I and Con have ever been involved in here at number 2 The Gables in the stunning suburb of Listerfield.
Let's go in and have a look. Upon entry into this fantastic home, you are greeted by a formal lounge, formal dining, opposite an exceptional study/home office.
As I enter this area, I see this is the heart of the home. We have an entertainer's kitchen overlooking an informal dining area. Another living area here going through to another alfresco area. And as we enter this room, this is the large games room / rumpus room for family fun all year round.
Leading upstairs, we come to a beautiful kids retreat, master bedroom with an ensuite, walk-in robe, separate bathroom and toilet, and 3 oversized bedrooms which are guaranteed to give you a great night's sleep. When it comes to entertainment, it does not get better than this. Leading onto this fantastic deck, surrounded by a fireplace and lush gardens, guaranteed to entertain all year round.
So please, if you're in the market for a quality family home on a large parcel of land, call either Con or myself, Adrian, at Biggin & Scott. We hope to see you very soon at our next open for inspection.
See you soon.